then we're gonna get to work on our tower defense game. Yeah, it's live right now. I've got a cat. He did not want to stay. All right. Okay. So where are we at? I did some updates, not on stream, but... And then also like the labels got messed up, which was weird, but that's very easy to fix. Hey, Alpha. Abandoned core for Nintendo's version. Nintendo's version looks very, very simple. Just like he abandoned dreams. Look, Alpha, I've already said, I need to edit my VODs into YouTube videos. I don't need to, but I want to before I stream Dreams more. And right now all my free time is taken up doing not editing. So if you want to edit for me for free, let me know and I will take you up on that. But otherwise you're not allowed to complain. All right, so to fix this, I believe, yeah, let's just do that. It's not perfect, but it'll be replaced with probably an icon later down the road. Your sloth is Kappa? Yeah, I know. I mean, you could just use the Kappa. That would make more sense. But I would still respond the same way either way. So, all right. So where are we at with this? We can cycle through the different towers by pressing 1 or 2. Scroll wheel rotates. And then left clicking places in the rotation that it's in, which is nice. A recent thing... Wait, I don't actually remember if I did this on stream or not, but I know I didn't do the rotation with scroll wheel on stream, but now if the tower's too close to either another tower or the path, it doesn't let you place. At one point it was based on just if you were looking at the terrain, but now it also checks just like basically whether it's close to the center. So that's where we're at right now. I'm to be honest, I'm not really sure what I want to do next. The sloth is better, that's fair. We could add health to this goal. I think in my game I'm gonna have multiple different goals, because you've got to keep in mind, like, let's say there's 4 players in this. I mean, we've got to, like, give everyone room to do stuff. We could obviously make the towers attack. We could spend some time making the towers look good, because right now they're just... I mean, this one looks decent, but yeah. We could make the towers actually deal damage. We could try to give the enemies a health bar. There's a lot we could do. We can make it so there's a currency, and then when you buy towers, you spend the currency. Oh, one thing I did want to do before all of that is, like, this... I can't even... This... It doesn't look very good. The purchase tower, cancel, rotate thing. But what... Oops. But what does look good, in my opinion, is... Oh, and this menu. I forgot to show this menu. So when you click, you no longer can move. You can't move the camera, and you can't move yourself. And you have this screen where you can upgrade, sell, or close. And right-clicking also closes. Just right-clicking anywhere. But, so yeah, you hover and then left-click, and then this menu pops up. And it'll be more than just upgrade and sell. The reason I'm giving you the mouse is so, like, because I'm gonna have, like, more options. Because this is real programming, I'm able to, like, I'll be able to make it so that you can set the tower to maybe target the lowest health, target the first enemy, target the last enemy, target the closest enemy, something like that. I'll probably won't add most of those because most are kind of useless. I'd say the most important ones are target the lowest health enemy, maybe target the highest health enemy, and then target the closest enemy, and target the farthest along enemy, closest to the goal, I guess. So those are some things I'm going to have here, as well as the stats. I'm going to have the towers, like, description and stats here. I think these buttons, you know what? Let's see. Let's make these buttons a little bit smaller. So this would be tower related, tower editing. Oh, that's no, excuse me. It's this. Edit tower menu. And we have the upgrade button and the sell button. Is this playing? Okay, let's not play that. First, let's make it so it's visible. And I want the upgrade button and the sell button to be on the same row. How do we do that? I mean, I guess we just make it smaller. I'd like to make it the same width if possible. How about... Oh, did I make it? Okay. I made it inherit the parent width. We're not going to do that. Maybe 200, maybe like 150, 165. Let's try that. Same thing here. And maybe we do whatever this size is. Oh, 200. Wow. All right. I guess that's lined up. Okay, this spacing isn't great. It's kind of annoying. I mean, there's really no other way to do this, right? All right, that's good enough. It's probably gonna be super annoying to make that perfect. So that's nice. That's very nice. Gives you more space too. I almost think the buttons can be smaller, but we'll worry about that later. Anyway, okay. So this is what I was gonna say before I got super distracted. I want this writing. Oh my god. To be in a similar style to this, I think, because when you have a tower selected, or sorry, when you're building a tower, right? When you're building a tower, you should probably see like its stats. Right? Like that does make sense. Because how else would you like see what a tower does? And I'll put it in the same place too. Yeah, so let's start with that. I think we should start with that. So I'm going to make this invisible. And we're going to, so it's the building cursor. We're gonna literally just delete this entire thing. And we're going to take this and put it in there. Like that. Okay, and let's make this visible temporarily so we can test it. And let's see. We're gonna put that in the top right. A couple of these things got a little bit off. That's okay though. So like things like the name and the border and the background, those should say exactly the same. The buttons, I don't think we should have any buttons. I get the close. We should have the close, but this shouldn't be a button because in this mode, when this is up, when this menu is up, here I'll show you. You don't have access to your mouse, so this should just work. By the way, yeah. You don't have access to your mouse, so even though they're buttons, it doesn't really matter. But it is still right-click to close. So you click it, and I think depending on the tower you have selected is what is displayed. So it's going to be the name, it's going to be a description, and it's going to be probably its stats, well, its cost. So let's make another button. Hey, Elka. This is Dreams Minus. That's something like that, yeah. I just really, like, I haven't really had very much time to edit anything, honestly. It's a lot of stuff has been going on recently. That's why I'm not streaming as much, too. My manager got a different job, so now I have to basically do a lot of the stuff he was doing. And then I'm still trying to get a house, so that's annoying. But really, it's just my job that's been kind of stressful lately. It's not even that much harder, it's just stressful. Hey, Cheeky. how the skeletons walk around the map. Thank you. I did it in a very similar way to Dreams, how I did it in Dreams. You didn't ask, but I'll tell you anyway. So, I mean, I basically have a path of nodes, right? Are these all? Yeah, these are all force off. So I'm just gonna turn these on for you. So I have a path of nodes, and it's interesting. I did it like the nodes aren't connected, right? The nodes don't. You balling with Doge? No, I'm gonna get a mortgage. I cannot afford to buy a house outright. Although I made about $2,000 on Doge so far, and I did cash out. If I didn't cash out, I would have been able to make probably $700 more or something. But I'm looking to get back in. I just have a sinking feeling. I mean, I don't know. I think there's going to be some sort of sell-off, but it definitely. I don't think it's going to just completely crash, like permanently. It's pretty popular. But yeah, I am looking to get a house, hopefully soon. Right, so with the nodes, it's cool. So they're not actually like linked together. There are no wires in this or anything like that. But what I did, and notice how they're all named the same. What I did was every time the enemy, actually I can just play this. Every time the enemy touches a node, every time the node senses the enemy or something like that, the node tells the enemy to go to the next node. How does it do that? It literally goes through the lists of nodes and finds the next one in the list. So like it's literally going down the list. It's pretty cool how it works. So like this node is the second one, or I guess it's the third one. No, it's the second one, whatever. This node would literally get the list of nodes, does get the list of nodes, and finds the position of the next node in the list. And the reason this works is because when I get the list of nodes, it gives it to me in order, in the correct order, which is really cool. So for example, like, if I swap this one and this one, you'll see what happens. Oh, actually. So why is this happening? I'm not actually checking if it reaches the destination. I'm not checking for that. I'm just waiting to sense a new node. So this is technically a bug. This is a bug. I probably should be making sure the enemy gets close to the destination, because obviously like this is not close enough. But it is kind of funny. Oh, I mean, I guess, hey Jay, what's up? I guess an interesting thing with core is how many puppets you can have. Now, I say puppet, and I'm deliberately being misleading. So these are not puppets. These are animated meshes. As you can see, we have a lot of them, and the game, well, I wanted to say it wasn't dropping frame rate, but it is actually dropping frame rate a little bit. But this is kind of ridiculous, to be completely honest. I am curious what's going to happen here. But anyway, they're just animated meshes, and you can add functionality to them, but that's all it is. It's relatively simple. Now, you can't animate the limbs or anything. They come with custom animations, but you cannot manually animate, which is unfortunate. But it is kind of funny how my system works. But yeah, so on the right, you can see like the performance, which is interesting. So I guess at 200 networked objects, it'll start lagging a little bit, and at 4. Wait, why is 400 red when the limit is 4,000? That's kind of confusing. I'm not really sure what I'm looking at in the performance mode. Like, or in the performance tab. I'm not really sure. Huh. Oh, it's a performance rating. Lower numbers mean better performance. Okay. So I'm curious, just like, when will the performance start getting bad? It's interesting that lower numbers are better performance. Okay, wait. Let's. I can make this. I can make this a little less painful. Let's go into the enemy spawn manager, and I believe I have a tick function, and this is super arbitrary, but actually what I should do is I think it's called delta. Actually, it doesn't matter what it's called. So I'm gonna take ticks and add delta to it. Delta is the time between ticks. And let's do 10. So now it should spawn 10 times faster. Oh. No, I guess what I just did is equivalent to what I was doing. Okay, let's do 1. Why is that so slow? That's really weird. Okay, can we just spawn a skeleton every tick? Oh, man. Okay, maybe, oh my gosh. That's actually kind of scary. Okay, let's not do that. That's a really bad idea. So, oh man. Holy shit. Ticks is greater. How about if ticks is greater than 0.1? Ah, there we go. Wow, that's kind of crazy. And let's... Okay, so now I'm going to keep track of how many zombies there are, and I'm also going to print the count. So, oh. Okay, so it's complaining that I'm using a variable before I declared it. So we need to put the count up here. My bad. Okay, so now in the bottom right, you should be able to see that, guys. That's how many animated meshes I have. So, like, Dreams with puppets would start freaking out at around 30, and I'm at 150. Okay, so you see in the top right, that bar, this bar, lower is better, and it is creeping up. So on low spec computers, which I don't know, there are a lot of people. Oh, but that's at ultra video setting. But still, this is pretty cool. You can feel it's a little slow though, but I don't know. I'm just tech demoing. So let's put this back to 1. And let's fix our nodes again. And let's actually do some work. Let's actually do some stuff. I wanted to make, the tower buying menu. And I will re-chat now. Is there a cat on the show? Does Core let you create VR games? I don't believe so. No, not yet, at least. Computer crashes? Yeah. Oh, boy. Hey, Lizard King. Yeah, I'm trying it out. I'm taking a little break from Dreams. I want to get caught up in my video editing. Did Gunball inspire you? No. Although it was cool. It was very cool. But no, Gunball was not the reason I got into Core. Yeah, they walk between it smoothly, exactly. And it's funny because I did pretty much the exact same thing in Dreams. It's a way to path follow. Not path find, path follow. I mean, I could probably set up pathfinding, but that would take kind of a long time. Okay, so back to work. I didn't mean to do that. Shoot. Oh, I need to open one of them for... No, never mind. The menu wasn't up. Okay. So I want to work on this menu. Yeah, because, well, I mean, for now it's probably fine, but I want to buy button thing, and I want Probably just a description. And I need a way to like pass the data to this menu. Because like I'm not gonna have a separate menu for every single tower. Although, honestly, that actually might not be a bad idea. That actually might not be a bad idea for something like this. I mean, it depends. No. It is. I'm just trying to think of how different each of these menus will be, because like for some towers, I'd want to display different stats, right? So like on a damage tower, you'd have damage, but on a slowing tower, you wouldn't have damage. You would have slow percentage or whatever. But okay, anyway, let's just focus on description first. So let's stop this and go into my UI, into building cursor, which is going to be renamed building was a cursor. Now it's just building menu, I guess. And we have the name. Let's make this visible so we can actually work with it. We have the name. Let's copy and paste that. That is so annoying. When I copy and paste it, it doesn't go into the current thing. But anyway, let's also have description. So this is where it gets interesting. Should I have a bunch of description text boxes and then just turn them on or off depending on which tower is on? Probably not. No, that's not the right way to do it. That's how you do it in Dreams. That is how you would do it in Dreams, but this is not Dreams. That's too small. That's probably good. I don't like this font either, but I can change that. Actually, maybe I should pick the font now. There aren't many choices, but I mean, there's more than like a couple, so. What am I even going for with this game? Am I going for like robotic? Am I going for like fantasy? I don't know. Probably robotic, just because like that's what the towers are going to be. So Roboto, perfect. I do like the Roboto font. I think it's the font Android uses as well. Yo, gameplay is completely reworked. I noticed, not recently, but I did notice that you made there be a cooldown from when you can, for like how often you can be knocked down. Jay, are you talking about core or my game specifically? Can you export core games? No, you cannot. That's it's a walled garden system similar to Dreams, similar to Roblox, similar to Project Spark, stuff like that. Did you do rotate with scroll wheel? I did implement that. I did not implement that on stream, but I did implement that. I just did, yeah.
Hello.
A couple days ago.
Hello.
How's it going?
Hello.
Hello. How's your
Hey.
cookies? How's your gum?
It's good. They look good.
How did you get the white or red holograms? Yeah, so well, you see my holograms right here, right? You see my holograms here. They're in a group, and on the first frame of the game, they all go to the same position. So when I play, both holograms are just following my position, right? But they're invisible. And how do I make them red? I just change the color. So it's pretty simple. But
Hello, J Critical. I would have said hello sooner, but Acer likes to talk.
what was Crystal Mech, your game? What was it? Oh, like my theme?
Every time I hear Crystal Mech, it just sounds like crystal meth, and it makes me laugh.
It doesn't sound anything like
It
that.
sounds like crystal
I mean, the
meth.
spelling is kind of close, but I don't think it sounds like it.
It does.
Mech?
Meth?
It's like two completely different. If it was like Crystal Math, you'd have a point. If it was Crystal Seth, but no, mech and meth.
Crystal meth.
All right, maybe maybe a little, but thanks.
Oh my god.
Looks like a legit hologram. Yeah, I mean, it's just a material. It's pretty cool. The core has a shitload of materials.
Okay, see, Boom thinks I'm funny.
Yeah, but like that joke, it's so overdone.
Did anyone leave any comments on
It's
it?
something completely different. I'll have to check it out.
Crystal Seth. What is Crystal Seth, Ryan? You use that as an example.
It's just a word that sounds like meth. But I guess mech and meth. I don't know.
There's like literally icing in my hair. It's disgusting.
Do you want to show?
Cookies.
Do you want to show everyone your cookies?
I just put them away.
But what was the theme of Crystal Mech Tower Defense?
All the things were made of blue crystals.
Yeah, it was like robotic crystal kind of stuff. I couldn't really think of anything, so I just made something up.
Hi, kitty.
So. But yeah, if you look in Project, I mean, you can't look in Project Spark, but if you look on my old YouTube channel, which you don't have a link to, so you won't be able to, my first tower defense game in Project Spark was Exo Tower Defense, and I just made it because they had a lot of robot parts, and I was able to kit bash them together to make like robotic towers.
Look at this boy.
So cute.
The big boy.
He was big.
I think he wants to escape. You want to go, boy?
He's too cute.
You want to stay with Mama forever. Oh, what?
You either shocked him or poked him with your glasses.
Sorry, bud.
No shoulder cannons. Why do you keep asking me about shoulder cannons? Yeah. The tower placement and yeah, it's when I say it's based off of Crystal Mech Tower Defense and Exo Tower Defense, I basically mean the gameplay will be similar, right?
Aren't like all tower defense games exactly the same?
No, some you place towers on a grid, some you can free place, some there are set places for towers.
Oh boy.
Some you have your own character where you can also battle alongside your towers.
Oh my god.
Some the enemies can hurt you. Some the enemies can hurt your tower. So I mean, there's a lot of different
the possibilities are endless.
Yeah, there are a lot of different like variations.
Are you making the exact same towers?
No, because I can do a lot more stuff because I have real coding.
Wow.
Okay, so right now we're making this menu. It's the menu where you're buying the tower.
I like how you're making it in a totally different thing and it still looks exactly like how you would make it in Dreams.
What do you mean?
Like, you use the same font. It looks
I use the same font.
Very similar font.
I mean,
like the
I have.
menu's gonna look exactly the same.
I mean, how would you lay out the menu? I'm open for suggestions.
Thanks for the flower boom. See, someone cares about me.
True. Okay.
All right, can I play games?
Do you want to?
Yeah, I don't want to work on my biostats project. And I definitely don't want to study for finals.
Right.
That's like a week away. Like,
I mean, understandable, honestly.
Like, I don't care. I'm so done at this point. I can't even. You know what I was doing in class today?
On TikTok.
I was building a house of Sims. Can I show you? It was really good.
No, babe.
Okay, I'll just describe it for you. So I made a house, and it's called Flooded House, if you look on the gallery. And it's literally just a house, but it's surrounded by a pool, and like the first story of the house is underwater. That's the whole thing. I just made like a suburban house.
That's flooded?
Yeah, it's just in a pool, so it looks like it's flooded. We don't talk about TikTok around these parts, Matt. Well, that's a shame. There's a lot of good stuff on TikTok. You know, I was very hesitant at first.
Really? Because you're kind of addicted
TikTok's
to it.
Stupid, and now it's so funny.
Nice. Okay.
I found out the other day that every other middle school in the U.S., besides the ones in South Carolina, do a federal test instead of state testing.
Federal test. That's interesting. We're gonna play Lizard King's gun soccer game thing.
Wait, can you scroll down? I'm trying to read.
A submerged suburb. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, why didn't I call it that? Shoot. That was good.
So your it's probably not on the front page, although it is kind of
Wait, we
popular.
do federal testing? Not in New York for middle school.
I'm gonna search gun soccer. I feel like it should. Oh, gunball. There you go. Okay.
We only had state tests in my school.
All right. You can play one game. This is the game that you can play.
Yes. I'm ready.
And stop asking me to play games.
There's an extra cookie if you want one. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Watch out.
Oh my god, can you move him so I don't run his little toes over? Okay. So what are we playing?
You're not allowed to eat this. Hey, Harley, take this. They're eating your necklace.
Yeah, they lost the charm on it.
So you just gave it to them to play with?
No, I put it on the top shelf and then they pulled it down. Okay, so... okay.
Oh, you can melee now.
Oh god, am I both? Am I both lasers?
So you can pull or push.
Okay, we're just gonna go.
Well, clearly you didn't read it. Yo, it's like Rocket League now.
Okay. Am I winning?
Oh, this is cool. Oh, look, there's someone else. There's
Hey!
Wendy.
No.
Dude, this is cool.
God.
I see you took my advice. I don't even know if you're still here. Yo, you're gonna score.
No! What the frick?
Look at Momo, dude.
Wait, what is the difference between red? Oh, does red... What?
You knocked yourself down.
Yeah, I did. It was on purpose. Wait, how do I keep knocking myself down? Hey, what up? Yeah. That's right. That's right, buddy. Bow before me, for I am the soccer queen. Okay, this is pretty fun. Is it supposed to be like, are there supposed to be more people on each team? Or is it only like 1v1?
It's probably 2v2. So, I think instead of gun game or whatever.
Oh, frick!
I think it should be called.
Oh, we just got raided by Captain Morgan. Thank you.
Thanks for raiding.
Oh my god! Oh, no, we're good. We're good.
So,
fine.
does your laser only affect things within the circle?
I think so.
That's interesting.
I'm gonna pull it towards me when he hits it. Oh, looks like he's going towards his own goal.
Oh, you're so close.
I'm so good. Oh no! Oh boy. Whoa, how did I teleport? Hey! Luckily his aim is bad.
Once, I can't wait for James to get more.
How did I get knocked
You
down?
knocked yourself down.
No, I didn't. It was worth it. I had to make the sacrifice. I feel like I'm playing against like a 12-year-old, not gonna lie.
You probably are. Although he's playing against a girl, so it's even.
Okay, gender has nothing to do with this, Ryan.
I know.
What is this? The 1800s?
Wait, this is Lizard King. This is the creator of the game.
Oh, I'm playing Lizard King?
Yeah.
Wait, he's letting me win then.
Yeah.
What the hell? Lizard King.
I like how you say his name as if you knew. You're like, as if you knew who he was. Tell him
Lizard
he's
King and I
trash.
go way back.
spit in his face.
I literally just told him to bow before me when I got a goal.
Wait, you typed that in chat?
No, I said I'm the soccer queen. Bow before me. No, fuck off, Lizard King. God damn it.
So he probably in the game, like waiting for us.
No! Lizard King!
I think he blocked you.
No! Stop it. This is an unfair game. He's cheating. I bet he's messing with the code right now.
You actually could implement something where like it checks for your username ID and then like does something. most creators give themselves like mod powers, but he literally could give himself God mode. Actually, yeah.
Oh no!
He might be for all we know.
Yeah, that's why. That's
why
I'm
you're
not winning.
losing. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not even losing. I'm winning.
I mean, he's perma defense, which is.
I'm so bad. Get back here. Why does it knock me out?
I don't know.
I don't want it to pull into me so hard. Like,
it is
wait,
interesting.
That's
how,
my goal. That's my goal. No.
Pull it. Yeah, because like when you pull it, it hits you and it knocks you.
I don't like that. Lizard King. I do like the dramatic music that's playing.
Typing. Is there dramatic music typing or playing?
Yeah, like when it starts again, it's like kind of dramatic. It sounds like something that would play at like a monster truck rally.
How's your stream, Cap?
Okay, this would be. Can you imagine playing this with like multiple people? It would be
right.
extremely chaotic.
I
don't understand how that.
I think every time it touches you.
Why is it electrical?
Yeah. Oh, see that explains it. Why is it a soccer ball?
What the hell? Why is the blue one it like hits it so smoothly, and then the red one it's like, wham bam, you're dead.
I'm not sure what that means. We're good. Got many awnings and stuff. Yeah, I saw that on Twitter. That was cool.
Oh, I can jump.
You made like a bunch of things. Is that for a commission or is that for like a game or something? Or are you just like?
Oh fuck. Wait.
Where are you going?
Not that way.
Whoa! Did you just pull it over your head? You can see the angle like before you hit.
Yeah, you think I care about that, Ryan? I just hit the ball.
So like aim it like a pool, like ball, like. Okay, yeah, it's kind of tough when there's someone else blocking you.
When there's a lizard in the way.
Can you knock people out anymore? Babe, he's letting you score. You're trying to get a pro word flow down. That's cool. Really? So a different program textures them. That's cool. Can you pull then push like really quickly?
I can't aim. I can't aim fast enough for it to be even useful. Oh. Oh. Oh no. What happens if I go in my own goal? I'm hiding.
Oh, you can see through it. Shoot.
Wait! Shit!
Just knocks my phone down.
Okay, I don't understand that.
The ball knocks you out.
But I hit it. I was close.
Literally, you didn't. Oh.
Whatever, Lizard King.
Not dumpster.
Momo, stop, buddy. No. What do you want, Momo? He wants to say hi. Here, say hi. Say hi. He's being bad. He's being bad. Oh, we're playing again. You're pretty good, actually. Oh, I don't know about that, Lee. I don't know about that, Lizard.
What did you order?
I ordered more protein bars.
Oh, nice. Momo, come on, stop. Momo, stop. Like, I put it there so you wouldn't get it. No, do not. No, stop it.
Our cat's being bad. I can't. Okay, I've had fun. Now I want to break it.
You're not gonna break it. Lizard King is the best order I've ever seen. No.
Can I laser myself? No. Okay.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to break it.
Why would this break it?
I don't know.
Try like shoving the ball into the corner. Like try to like get the ball out of the. This is not spamming the buttons isn't gonna break it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, you have another person!
What? Where?
Where do you
Hello?
Babe, there's
Hello?
no mic. Who are you talking to?
Oh my god. Wait, that's Lizard King. I don't care
there's
about
4
him.
people now.
Oh my god. Hey, you're
Who
on
are
my
you
team,
talking to?
bud.
I can't hear you.
What's his name?
Get down from there.
Slain! Hell yeah.
You're not allowed up there. Momo, get down. You're not allowed up there.
Oh, this is way better now.
Sorry.
All right, you go, Slain. I've got the back.
Don't go up there.
I'm so bad.
It should tell you if you're out of range. I mean, that's what the ring is for. That's what the blue ring is
Look at
for.
my boy go!
I think you should extend the blue ring, honestly.
Look at my boy go. He's doing so good.
Wait, can you shoot other people? Your boy?
My boy. He's probably 12.
Press E. Press the keyboard letter E.
What? What does this mean?
I didn't know what that was.
What does that do?
Okay, well, I don't know. Wait, press T. Okay, there should be a dash. Shift. Press shift. Wait, what? Yeah, look, there's a dash. Look at that. That's awesome.
Probably
This
wrong.
is soccer with guns. So think like Rocket League.
No, it's soccer with lasers, Ryan.
It's like
Get it right.
Yeah, laser. It's like Rocket League, but instead of the gimmick being you're in a car, the gimmick is you have a gun that can pull or push the ball. I think the only issue with this, honestly, is that the ring is too small, which limits like skill expression. But I might be wrong. Like I haven't played it, so maybe it balances it. But...
I feel like I don't understand the red one.
You mean the blue one?
No, the red one.
The red one shoots.
No, the red one pulls.
Wait, since when? Press T.
Since always, Ryan.
Press T.
Babe, I just hit it.
Press T.
Oh my god, no. I'm in the middle of something.
Oh, is Lucio Ball kind of like this? But much more fast-paced? So you can pull and push the ball? That's really cool. So yeah, I guess so.
I mean, I'm the one that's been playing it. Lizard King!
Can I try?
Lizard King!
Oh, but you can't pull.
You
Okay.
cheater! And he knocked me out.
I
Look
don't
at
think
that.
He did anything.
He did it with his god powers, his Lizard King god powers.
You stood under the ball. You stood under the ball and just took it.
No.
You took it in the face. Which, is that my goal? Is that the goal Wait. Oh, it was too far away. Whoa, okay, yeah, you're right. Red poles. What the fuck? Oh, people can knock you down too. Interesting. This is cool though. Like, it's a really cool idea.
Luhan says, is this like Dreams but on PC? I'll answer that question because Acer is very busy right now. Yes.
Yeah, basically.
But you can code in this game, but you can't make your own assets. So.
There needs to be a way to like, I don't know, like pulling is such a bait. Oh shit.
I really feel like there should be a way to like punch your opponents. Like just punch them in the face. That would be so funny.
I think you can literally punch, but I don't know if it works.
You look so stupid when you dash.
Shut up! Let me dash in peace.
Like, what is that?
Come back here. No! That doesn't score. The angle's wrong. It's a kick. My only gripe, I don't know if you're in the chat, but my only gripe is that the ring is too small.
Rick Cohen
I can't
says,
move to the right.
Did
What the
you-
hell?
Did
That
you
was
watch
weird.
the response of Nintendo to Dreams?
I saw that. I didn't actually, did I watch the whole video? I didn't watch the entire video, but I watched part of it. Yo, get wrecked. Ah, shit.
Maybe you learn how to aim,
I-
man.
It's hard. It's rolling, and there's freaking Lizard King
Maybe you
here.
learn how to play. You're playing.
He just punched me.
Wait, you're playing against Jay Critical right now.
Wait, this is Jay? Oh, hell yeah. How cool is this? We're playing... Uh-oh.
It's like you've never played a game with
I haven't, because I only play Dreams, which is single player. Yes! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Get punched. Let's go. Oh, he's gonna block that. Oh, it didn't go in, shit!
Go, go, go!
I'm trying. Oh my god, I suck!
Don't mess this up.
Wait, what happened? Oh, you can't end on a tie, dude. Implement.
Oh, you got knocked down 13 times too, Ryan.
You're off to watch Critical Role.
Look,
All right,
you got
Yuhan.
knocked down 13 times.
Wait, that was me. That was you playing. Oh, no, that probably was me,
No,
honestly.
It was you, actually. Alright.
Does Jay watch your stream too?
Wait, Lizard says you can knock people down. Can you try?
Yeah, I already did. You can literally punch people.
Wait, punch Jay. I want to see what happens. Jay, let Acer punch you.
He just scored knockoff. This is really fun. Like, imagine if Dreams had multiplayer. Oh, well, he's probably gonna block that. Shut up, don't laugh at me.
Wait, so Nintendo responded to Dreams?
They made a game
In Dreams?
similar to Dreams, actually,
They made a game similar to Dreams?
for the Switch.
What, like Super Mario Maker?
Yeah, kinda.
What is it?
Only it's like Dreams. It's like straight up Dreams logic. I mean, Dreams doesn't have a monopoly on like
What's the game
wires.
called?
I don't know, Nintendo programming. I don't know what it's. Guys, do you know what it's called? This is really fun. You guys can join me right now. You can't say that with Dreams.
Wait, Lizard. Is Lizard listening?
I don't know.
Okay, well, Lizard, if you're listening, you need to make like,
Oh, for frick's sake!
you need to make like a taunt, like a dance that the
I think
characters can
there already are emotes.
do. Yeah, they need emotes. Can you emote?
Yeah.
No, like right now.
No. Wow, that's crazy. Okay.
If this was a match of soccer,
Whoa!
here, Acer, you would get a lot of insults just for missing a goal.
Hey, I'm up 3-0. Oh, that's the wrong way. Get ragged. It definitely is cool watching people play your own game.
Oh yeah,
I'm
Lizard's
sure.
here. Okay.
Okay, is that a bug? I feel like instead of going the correct direction, it just like magnified the way it was already going. But maybe I'm just bad. I'm probably just bad, let's be honest.
I feel like there should be like events that happen. That would be fun, right?
What do you mean?
Like the
in-
ball suddenly gets really big. Or
Oh, let's go! You mean like, oh, that's what you mean by events?
yeah. Like, okay, you know.
Fuck, I suck, man!
Oh.
Who sucks more, though? Me! God damn it! No! Look, it's harder than it looks. You guys can join, though, because it's harder than it looks.
Wait, who had a score of -2?
What do you mean? Oh. I don't know. I guess he has two own goals.
Lizard says get speed before you start jumping.
Why? Wait, I don't understand. Do we know where to go?
Did you break it?
Ah. No, that's not the right direction. Come on. What am I supposed to do there? See you later, Cap. Thanks for the raid again, dude. I appreciate it.
Okay, this was fun. I'm gonna go now. Goodbye.
Bye. Good luck
I'm
studying.
not studying.
Good luck. I don't know. What are you doing then? What? You're vibing. What does that even mean? In this context. Damn it. Oh, that was good. All right, I'm getting better at this. This is fun. This will be my last match, though. Damn it. I feel like I'm helping him.
I have a basket.
A basket of Momo?
Basket.
Aw. You're trying to punch me. Stop it. Man, you really... I want to do the push-pull, but it's hard. Let's go. They wanted to recreate Rocket League on Core. Right, right. Actually, it didn't look like this. But he took my advice. Oh, shoot. See, I like this. I don't know why I did that. I like this a lot more. It's like, there's less random pillars. I suck, man. Oh, you started playing Rocket League. Oh, hell. Hell yeah. Wait, like, when? He pushes it in the goal. Shoot yellow ring with push pull. Oh. Damn it. All right, Jay. That was fun, dude. This was it's fun. It's really fun being able to play like multiplayer. It's really, really fun. And that game, that game is fun as well. Like, so well done. Who's my second favorite person? I can't even answer who's my favorite person. I mean, Natalie is probably my favorite person. Let's be honest. Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for like taking my advice. I think it turned out really well.
Are you summoned?
No, you weren't summoned, but Seth asked me who my second favorite person was.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Is it your mom?
Probably.
What about your dad?
He is not my second favorite person.
Wow, I'm gonna show him this.
I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, Lizard King, that was fun. I'm glad you had me play it again.
Who's your third favorite person?
I don't know. There's a lot of people. I don't know.
Who is it?
I don't know. Okay, so what I want to do with this... Oh, well, first I need to anchor it to the top right. That's kind of important. So, building menu. I want to anchor it to the top right.
Seth wants you to rank them. Rank all the people in your life.
I don't even know what that means. Rank my entire...
Yes.
Okay. No, by the way. I don't want to. This will be the buy button.
Pika. He's being bad. He's on your shelf. Wait, Ryan, turn your chair this way for a minute.
Pika, buddy.
He's so bad. Pika. Hey, you can't be up there, buddy.
He's like a part of the shell. Pika, come on, man. Oh my god.
What?
Where are you on the ranking? I don't know, man. Like, probably top 500 at least.
You don't even know.
Maybe top 200. Maybe top 100. That's adorable. I'm glad you like the name. I named him Pika, so I appreciate. I appreciate that. See, Steph likes the name Pika.
I was never against the name Pika.
Nope, you actually were.
So what?
You straight up were. So
I think we should have named him like Appa, like Momo and Appa. Pika is a very like Appa-like creature, you know. He's just chill. He likes to eat.
Isn't that all cats?
I mean, Momo's not chill. If I had to describe Momo, chill would be very, very far down on the list.
I want to do something like this and then have a separate text box for the currency.
I'm confused. Why are you making another tower defense? It's like your
it's
30th tower defense.
I know, it's just a game that like I'm familiar. It's a type of game I'm familiar with, and what are you doing? And I like to try to build it in like a new engine. I should try to build one in Godot actually.
Oh my god! Stop building tower defense.
Pika de Gallo, no, it's a play. It's just Pikachu basically.
Pika de Gallo. Oh no. Yes, he's named after the salsa.
Yeah, Jay, you're welcome. Sorry, I was kind of harsh on it. It's just there. You got to add more stuff.
Hi, Piece of Craft.
How's it going, Peace? Are you talking to me or Natalie when you say Baser?
I'm Baser.
Are you? So now you're embracing that name. That's good to hear.
No, I didn't say that. I will respond to it.
I see.
Momo's attacking.
I'm gonna add. Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Oh no, I'm tired.
Why can't I stretch this? Oh, because I have it inherit the width. There we go.
Jay says, no, I didn't like it myself, but I have been forcing myself to do jams for practice. And then Piece of Craft says, still living the trader life, I see. Is that me?
No, it's me not playing Dreams. If you want to, if you, Peace, if you want to edit my YouTube videos, because then I will start streaming Dreams again. I don't have time.
That's false.
It is very true.
You came home and played like 3 games of League of Legends.
I played 1 today. And I just don't want
Momo!
I don't have the time or the
Oh my
mental
God,
fortitude.
so bad. Hey! No! Get down!
Get
down.
but
No! No! Don't! No! Oh my god. You're so bad.
he wants that necklace.
Come on. You're so. Oh my god. You are so naughty. Jesus Christ.
What's going on there, babe?
Stop! Oh my god. Bad. You're bad. Oh my god. I just had to like fight him. He wouldn't detach from the shell. And then he knocked a bunch of stuff off. And then he still managed to get my necklace off the top.
Wait, seriously? He got it?
Yeah.
He saw me put it there.
Momo. Hey. You need to learn. No.
I mean, we should probably put it somewhere where he like doesn't know where it is.
Come on. Oh my god. No, baby. Don't do that. Babe, they are destroying themselves.
Wait, what?
This morning I found her and her body was detached.
What? Wait, what?
Her body was detached and I shoved it back in. And
Wait, what do you mean? Oh my god!
Because I found this on the floor and I was like, wait, why do we have like an action figure? I've never seen that. And then I found,
I'm literally crying.
and then I found,
Oh my god! It's just it's her head and her hair, that's all. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
She's been missing her butterfly for like months. Yeah, apparently her arch thing comes off.
Jay, are you talking about me?
It's like a puzzle.
Yeah, it is. It is a puzzle. Don't ever do that again. That was terrifying. This poor thing. Oh my god. That was horrible. There are a bunch. So I stopped with the app because I was having trouble with in-app purchases, like a lot of trouble. And I think I'm just gonna completely remove them and just stick with ads. Or maybe do I think what I'm gonna do is a paid version and an unpaid version, and that's it.
Wait, for your laser game?
For my laser bounce game in Godot, yes.
Oh, I thought we'd moved past that.
What do you mean?
Is that still something that we're doing?
What do you mean we?
Us?
What are you talking about? You didn't do anything with that. What are you talking about?
I played it. I play tested it. And I get half the money, right?
Oh yeah, you get half the ad money.
Yeah.
Raking it in, babe.
Yeah, I know. The Acer team she knows, yes. Acer Inc.
It's Acert Gaming or Acert Games,
No,
by the way.
It's A.
No, it's Acert Games. Just saying.
Acer and Baser Incorporated.
Why wouldn't it just be Baser Incorporated? Bay
Momo,
and Acer.
Get down.
What kind of game are you making? I wonder if I could show you.
Get down. No. Come on. Come on. You're gonna learn. No. You know what no means. No.
So I'm making an app. Ignore the test. Please just ignore that. So there's over 30 levels, but I've only made 5 of them. Although I have it set up to where it's really easy to make levels. Do I really have an eyelash in my eye right now? Okay, well, it's fine now.
Your eyeball absorbed it. It's in your cornea now.
Yeah. So there is sound. It's not working currently. Give me a second.
The company that makes cursor technology.
Okay, there should be sound now. Yep, there's sound now. It might be a little hard to hear.
Oh, I forgot how cute this is.
Thanks. That's like the nicest thing you've ever said. Oh, it just straight up doesn't work. Oh, I think what's happening is this text box in the... Okay, let me just get rid of that so I can actually demo this. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Is it this? Yeah, it's this. VBox. Why is this in a VBox? Right, and then this label, global.d. It's like a debug thing. I mean, do we just make it invisible? Does that fix it? Yeah, okay. So, it's a laser mirror puzzle game, right? Where you drag and drop the pieces and you try to shine the laser into the goal.
Acer,
and I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty polished.
Acer, you probably forgot what I'm talking about, but I was watching your VOD the other day and you kept saying cursor technology.
Which VOD? Acert Inc., the company that makes cursor technology. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Apparently you kept saying it. The donkey says, tower defense game.
Give me a second. I'm demoing something else. Yeah.
Da Vinci?
So like this is the game, and it would be a mobile phone app, or phone app, I guess.
Can I play it on my iPad though?
Yes, Godot can port to iPhones.
You gotta get those 3-year-olds, you know, the crusty ones that play on their iPad. You gotta get those. Those are where the real money's at.
The 3-year-olds? I don't think...
those crusty 3-year-olds that have an iPad of their own and they just like
I don't know why you're describing them as like that.
Top volume, because they're gross and you know they like cough all over it and then you touch it and it's sticky. Yeah. That's where the money's at.
I guess if they have access to the parents' credit card.
They do.
So, Dodonki, this is the tower defense game that I'm working on in Core. Currently, you can place towers,
Our Steve 4-year-old with sticky fingers covered in
and
Cheeto dust.
you can't place towers over top of the path or the tower or other towers. And I have it set up to where you can do multiple different towers, and you can also click on the towers and another menu pops up where you can upgrade them and change their targeting settings. That's not implemented yet, but
Ooh, Boom's trying to fight.
they do suck. I completely agree. I just needed some placeholders.
Doesn't even aim at the enemy.
Yeah, donkey, exactly.
Those are fighting words, Boom.
You're going to bed, Jay? All right, dude. Have a good night.
Oh my god, he called me Surdy Gal.
Surdy gal.
Wow.
So, let's continue working on this menu. Actually, is the menu done? Oh, yeah. I want a way to get to, like, have the different descriptions. So this is description, right? I mean, we could just add it in custom properties. That would be interesting. How else would we do it?
Right, Bug, I'm gonna go.
All right, you gotta go.
I do?
Get out of here.
Why?
You got studying to do or
I'm
something.
not studying.
Don't you have, like, schoolwork to do?
I have one project left, but it's not due till Monday.
Well, you gotta do it. You love tower defense games? Awesome.
I don't want to.
Okay, go and do it, and then it'll be done.
I'm not doing it tonight. Frick that. I'll do it tomorrow.
I can't believe her body detaches like that.
Yeah, it was scary this morning. I didn't know what I was looking at.
It's terrifying, honestly. Okay. How do we want to do this?
Okay, I'm gonna try and watch a show. Can you not screen?
Yeah.
Great, thanks.
Were you one that was making the fruit themed tower defense? That was me. Yes. Yes. And while he was making is correct, but finished is the most important part. It is finished with 3 playable maps. Okay. The description in this menu and the price and the name need to change based on the tower that is currently selected. We have tower related. We have building cursor. That's not it. Probably building aiming. But what about this? Tower editing. Do I have like a table of all my towers anywhere? I don't even think I do. Wait, in tower editing. What? So, okay, let's place 2 towers here. See, when I click this one, it says test tower 1, and when I click this one, it says test tower 2. How am I doing that? Like, just how am I doing that? I don't even know, to be completely honest. These 2 are the buttons. I mean, is it under building menu or editing menu? The name is changing. Where do I do that? It has to be this. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, so tower, oh my god. All right, that actually makes sense. So I'm storing the data in the tower templates, which I don't even have open right now. So I need to go to project content, templates. Let's drag in test tower 1, test tower 2. And right here, you see name. That's where it is. So let's add another custom property. To do that, we need to de-instance it and add custom property. And I want this to be a string called description. All right. But okay, so now the question, hold on. Maybe we don't want this because I don't have access to this tower. I just straight up don't have access to this tower when I'm building it. after it's built and I click on it, I have access to it. But before that, I don't have access to this data. So maybe this is not the right place to store this. I mean, okay, so why don't I just store it? See this button, maybe? What if I just store it in this button? Because I need one of these buttons for every single tower, right? So what if I just store the data in each of these buttons? And how do I do that? I mean, I literally just click this and add a custom property. Works for me. So name, description, and the way custom properties work, you can access them from the code. So name, description, price, probably an int. And let's make this one 100. Let's make the name test tower 1. And this will be test tower 2. Yep, it's finished. You remember bug testing? Oh, hell yeah. It's been a really long time since you've been able to watch my stream or play Dreams at all. Oh man, well, you should check it out. It's actually pretty fun. It's a pretty good game. Okay, name, description, price. I don't need anything else. Now, unfortunately, I have to do this exact same thing to this one. Or, yeah, to this one, which is kind of annoying. I'll be right back. There's an eyelash in my eye. It was a small one, too. It was like a short one, rather. It wasn't even a fully grown eyelash. Alright. Oh, I guess if it was fully grown, it would not get stuck in my eye so easily. Okay. Now. Well, let's finish doing this. So, name. Description. Price. So name is test tower 2. Description is, oh, I didn't even fill out the description for this one. Oh God. I put test tower 2 for the description. Wow. Test tower 1 description. Test tower 2 description. This sentence is and then the price, let's do 150. Okay, so this panel, I think is what it's called, and this panel store the buttons, okay, for each of the towers. And I'm also giving them custom properties that hold the name, the description, the price, and I'm gonna put other things in it too, most likely. Okay? So I need this menu to access this data depending on which one is selected. So let's go to tower building and building cursor. Yes, building cursor. Okay. We're going to rename this building menu. It's not a cursor anymore. It's a menu. Prepubescent eyelashes. Something like that. I have no idea what the coding aspects of this mean. Do you mean like you don't know? What do you mean by that? Like you don't know how to code in this, which is completely understandable, or you don't know like why this having coding is significant. What do you mean by that? Okay, you just don't, you know nothing about code. That's fine. That's completely fine. Lua is almost readable, actually. Almost. So I want to go into this script, and first off, I need access to these two things. This script, by the way, is managing this, okay? This script is managing this menu. So I'm going to add this button and this button, so these two things, right? This and this, as a custom property of the menu. So now I'm going to do this and this. Okay, so now I have access to these two buttons. So what do I want to do here? I also need access to the name. Sorry, that's the wrong one. The name and the description and the price. So all I need to do is drag them in. I wonder if no, okay. So name, description, price. And we're going to move those up. All right, so our building menu script now has access to everything it needs. And I actually just changed the name of this from building cursor to building menu. So let's change that really quick. Okay, so if we just play, everything should just still work because nothing changed. Let's turn this off. So we should still be able to press it and close it. Okay, now what? You're getting a vague idea? Good. I try to explain it in a way where even if you have no idea what coding is, you can kind of follow it. So what are we doing? Basically, there's one more thing we need to do before we actually code. We need to know which tower is selected. Okay, we need to know which tower is selected. I'm not even sure how, so let's try to figure that out. Maybe, where do I control pressing this? Isn't it building aiming? It is. Okay, that makes sense, I think. So in building aiming, wait, is it? Wait, I'm not even sure if it is. I have the current tower ID. Oh, okay, here it is. Yep. So when I press so this is what this does. When I press a button, this function is called. What does this do? If I press the 1 key, I call in the player state manager. Okay. In the player state manager, I call enter tower build mode 1 or enter tower build mode 2. So let's go to the player state manager. Interesting. Oh, here it is. Enter, yeah. Enter tower build mode and then the tower ID. And then I broadcast. Oh, I'm broadcasting it. Okay. So I'm broadcasting the tower ID. Okay. So when a tower button is pressed, interesting. Okay. So whenever I enter tower build mode, it broadcasts this. So I want to read that. I think it's called tower button pressed. And it broadcasts the tower ID. Yeah, okay. So, I want building menu, don't I? Tower button pressed. And it's gonna call this function, tower button pressed. It can be named anything, but I like naming it the same. So it calls this function, and it gets passed in the tower ID. Okay. So whenever you press 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, etc., it will call this function with the button you pressed. Okay, great. I now know what towers you pressed, I think. Although, oh yeah, okay. So I think I need some sort of table here. Yeah, I have this one. I have this one. I need to make local towers, basically local towers, and it's going to be a table. In the first index, it'll be the first tower. In the second index, it'll be the second tower. And now to access this first tower or this second tower, I just do towers. So hold on. So tower equals towers, and then the index, which is the tower ID. Okay, great. So now I have the tower. I need to now set the name, description, and price based on these custom properties. Okay, now, oh, thanks, Donkey. Thanks, Donkey, rather. Drinking is good. I'm kind of thirsty. So we need to get, and I call it tower. They're really like the tower buttons, but it's fine. So I need to get the custom properties of these towers. Again, they're just the buttons, but that's where I'm storing the data. For better or for worse. So how do I get a custom property? I did it somewhere, and then I forgot. So we're gonna try to figure that out. Or I can just type it into the script helper. Custom, yep, get custom, there you go. So get custom property. It's literally that easy. So if we go to building cursor, remember tower, I have the tower. It's towers, and then the index is the tower ID. So now maybe we do local name equals tower get custom property, and then what's the property name? It's name. The property name is name, right? So it's name, it's behind, oh, it's not behind my camera. Name, description, price. So local description equals the exact same thing. Tower, get custom property, description, yeah. And then one more time, local price, and then the property name is price. Okay, I have all these three things. Now what? Well, I have the name text box, the description text box, and the price text box. So let's set those. And what I could have done is not store these in variables. Maybe we don't do that. Yeah, let's just do this. So prop name dot text, I guess, equals the name. Prop description dot text prop price dot text. So I'm now setting the name, description, and price to the name, description, and price. Let's try it. So bam. Oh, it didn't work. Okay. Expected a string, received a number. Of course. So price, as you know, is a number. Text is a string. So what I need to do is oh, this is not gonna work. ToString. Oh, maybe it is gonna work. I'm not sure. Maybe it is just .ToString. Oh, maybe it's int ToString. Or yeah, I think it's just .ToString. I'm not actually sure. Does that work? No, it didn't work. Would it be int toString? It's just toString. Okay, maybe instead of dot toString, it needs to be colon because, yeah, I think that's right. No. What did it say? Attempt to index a number value. What does that even mean? Oh, I think I know what it is. I think it's toString, and then I put this in it. There we go. There we go. So look at this, guys. It's working. Look at that. So I press 2, and this is the text. I press 1, and then it changes the text. The menu is staying open. It's the same menu, but the text is changing depending on which one I press, so it works. How do I hope general gameplay works? Yeah, so I mean, basically, it's going to be wave-based, and it is going to be multiplayer, so it's going to be kind of hard to balance this, but I'll make it work. I'm not sure how I'm going to balance it, actually. But, I mean, basically you start with some points, or gold, or whatever, and you place down towers. I mean, well, you know tower defense games. Do you have any specific questions? I mean, it's basically going to be a tower defense game. All right, this is looking good. And like the system is in place. I don't have all the data filled out, but the system is in place, which is all that matters. So should we make towers deal damage? Should we... I mean, I kind of want to make this health bar actually nice. Yeah, how do I make it unique? I mean, I think making a multiplayer in it of itself, is that the phrase, is already kind of unique. Yeah, so just the fact that it'll be multiplayer would be kind of cool. But like the only player interaction there's going to be is like you can upgrade other players' towers. But what I want to do is make it so like there are certain combos that you can only do if there are like multiple players. I'm not even sure how I'm going to do that, but maybe like certain towers where like you can only place a couple of them, but they interact with each other. So if you have multiple players, you can have like a bunch of those towers. So I was thinking, I mean, this is not unique, but like a tower that basically, if you place 2 of them, a laser forms between them, but you can only have a max of like 3. But then if you get like multiple players, so like each player adds to the max basically, and you could like work together with that tower, which would be kind of cool. So I guess how would I make it unique? That's a good question, by the way. I want there to be tower interactions where like the players need to work together. I'm thinking, by the way, I just had this idea, but it was a natural extension of my idea already. To enforce this, there's going to be like a bunch of different towers, but you can only take 4 into the game, right? So you can only have like 4 towers at any time. So for any run. So like you go into the game, you choose 4, and those are the 4 towers you have. So if you team up with someone and they get towers that synergize with the ones you have, you can go farther, right? Yeah, each player has a set amount of unique towers. Exactly. Yeah. Yep. And I did just think of that, but that will enforce the working together strategy. You don't have to play with others, but yeah. Yeah, like loadouts. Yeah, exactly. And of course that'll so like you won't have everything unlocked. You'd have to like grind for it to incentivize playing more. And I mean, hey, like there's monetization in this game, so I might as well make it monetizable. So like make addicting gameplay, and if people want to skip the grind, they can just unlock the towers. But I'm not gonna make it like impossible to get all the towers. Probably like a half an hour of gameplay to unlock an additional tower, something like that. And I'm not gonna literally like set a timer and say like every half hour you need a tower. No, I would basically, if you get to a certain round, you unlock a tower. But I wouldn't even do that. It's like I'll probably have like 2 different currencies, an in-game currency and a like out-of-game currency, where like if you kill bosses, you get one of these currencies, and once you get 10 of them or something, you can unlock a tower or something like that. Hopefully that makes sense. Or you can pay real money and just get the tower like for $1 or something. Anyway, that's long into the future. But the cool thing with Core is the monetization is like already in it, and it's nice. But that's like if I even decide to continue using this. Like experience, not really. I mean, not really. I want it to be like you're buying additional towers. Okay. So we're at a really, I'm not gonna say we're at a good stopping point, but we're at a solid point where like the fundamentals are here. Not all the fundamentals though. So 2 more fundamentals to a tower defense game: killing enemies and spending money to like we're not doing that. Like we can place towers, right? But there's no currency yet, and the enemies literally you can't interact with them at all. So I'd like to work on those 2 things. I think it's natural to make it so you can kill enemies, and then make it so the enemies give currency, and then make it so the currency is required to buy things. Doesn't really matter the order, but that's what I'm going to do. So how do we make it so that we can kill enemies? We need a projectile. Oh, that's actually hard. There's a lot that goes into that. We need a targeting system. So the tower needs to be able to like lock onto an enemy in its range. That's actually not that hard. And then we need the tower to like face the enemy. Then we shoot a projectile. That projectile needs to home in on the enemy. Certain towers, maybe the projectile just travels in a straight line. But for this first tower, I just want it to be like a generic blasta. Yeah, don't apologize. I enjoy balancing tower defense games. There's an art to it. It's not easy, honestly. Like, unless you've done it before. Even if you've done it before, it's hard. Balancing tower defense games is balancing any game, but specifically tower defense games. It's like basically throwing crap at a fan and seeing what works. There's a lot. But the general way I balance is that I like to make it so that it's always better to buy a new tower instead of upgrade. Which puts, now obviously that pretty much only works if you also have a tower limit, but it puts an emphasis on like placing new towers, and you really want to only upgrade the towers in a good position. So it's because, and that also smooths the gameplay curve out. Like if you're if it's always better to upgrade towers, then you're incentivized to just like save up gold and play it as like risky as possible, which honestly might be better, but I feel like that's harder to balance. And when I say better, I mean gold efficient. That's what I meant. I like to make it more gold efficient to buy new towers. Okay. Anyway, let's do the easier thing first. I have decided. Let's do the easier thing first, which is the currency. So I think we should store the currency. We should store should the currency be stored on the server or should it be stored on the client? I think it should be stored on the server, actually. Yeah, it's hard to do. It is. I mean, I'd say it's impossible, honestly. But that's just how it is. So I think we should store pretty much all of the player data. Actually, is there like isn't there like a way to store player transfer data? I thought there was like a way to store like player data, but I don't know. Animation event, that's interesting. The player has so much stuff to it. I want to look that up because if I want to look that up. I'm already there. Between sessions. Oh wow. Oh, this is something I need to go through these tutorials. Not right now, but I really need to. I thought there was a way. I thought there was like a table or something. I'm not sure. Resource. Is this it? I think this is it. While scripting, you can assign resources to players. These are just integer values accessed via a string key that are tied to a player. They are useful for storing values about game-specific resources players might have, such as coins collected. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. What is going on? Resource. Okay. Player.set. Oh my god, this is literally exactly what I wanted. Okay. Player, but how do I get the player? Oh. On resource changed. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. But how do I get the player? Do I just type player? Maybe I just type player. Add resource, and then it's the name and then the amount. And they're just integers. They're just integers. They're just integer values. That's crazy. Okay. That's interesting. It's interesting how they have to be integers, but fair enough. Reminds me a lot about dream variables, actually. Set resource, remove resource. Okay, that's just subtract. Puppies scene. Can you, okay, you can add and remove, it should be subtract, but add and remove. And you can get the entire table. And you can remove literally everything. Wow. Whoa, wait. This should give 520, but our event listener limits it to 100. Oh, it's literally... Wait a second, I'm confused. This sample registers a listener to ensure that values are 0 to 100. Where does it do that? Oh, literally right here. Oh. If new value is greater than 100, player set resource to... So it just sets it to 100. Huh. I wonder if it can go negative. I assume it can. This is exactly what I wanted. So, let's go to player related movement and camera. Shouldn't I have another? Shouldn't I have another script? I mean, I should have another script that handles like just money related things, I guess. Maybe I just I don't even know. I mean, this is movement and camera. Let's make another script called... I mean, it shouldn't just be currency, right? What else will this script cover? This is for... Oh, but this is on the server. This is specifically for the server. And I have to assume this script runs on the server as well. Yeah, it is. I think. Well, I'm curious, like... So this script is specifically running on the client. I mean, let's just do a test. Player? I don't think player is a thing. Isn't it like get local player? Oh, it literally is. Okay, oops. It's game get local player. Returns the local player. I just don't understand. Like, can I run this in the server? Let's try. So this is the server, game.getLocalPlayer. I don't even know how... I don't even think this is going to work. Wait, especially since these two functions already have something called player. I'm going to create a new script, and it's going to be called... I don't know, player manager, I guess. And it's not in the client. Local player, okay, and then player. Well, I don't even remember what this was. Set player set resource. And then the resource is whoops. Currency. And I'm going to set it to 100. And then print. I don't think this is going to work because this is going to run before there's even a player. We'll see. Print player. Isn't it get currency? How do I get the currency? Get resource. Why? I typed currency. It's a resource. Get resource. And then currency. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah. Okay, so it is client only. Okay, that's what I thought. It's so get local player is client only. That makes total sense. So let's see. I mean, if we put this into the client, will it work? No. Client script attempted to access a server only. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, so the player, the get local player is client only, but to set the resource, it's server. So, okay, I need to get the player from the server. So I guess local play, and I just want to give everyone 100 right now. Maybe let's do that when someone joins. How about that? So where do I do that? Where? Oh, here it is. On player joined. Right? And then I bind. Yeah, but I'm doing something else. So let's see. And then I get the player. That's cool. So there's the player. On player joined. There's the player. And we're going to run this. So I give you 100 currency and I display your currency. Okay. Did I type something wrong? Ah, this has to be below. It's weird. There you go. Okay. So there you go. See, it printed 100 right there in the bottom right, or you should be able to see that. It printed 100. So I've successfully given the players, every time a player joins, they get the currency. That's something. The player, this player has a currency resource. Okay. Okay. I think I mean, that's a good start, I guess. Let's display the currency. So this is player manager. I guess let's do a script for currency UI, or should this be like currency manager? Maybe let's do like, let's make a folder. Let's create a folder called create new folder. No. Let's just do it here. New folder and name it like currency related. I think that kind of makes sense. We'll see though. So currency related, and this is not going to be called player manager anymore. It's going to be called currency manager. And then we need something for currency UI. So let's create a new script. Currency UI. And I want this to be client. So, because all UI stuff is client related. The client or the UI script shouldn't run on the server. I don't think. Oh, maybe it needs to. Wait, I actually don't know. We'll see. Create networking context, new client containing this. Yeah, client, okay. And then currency UI. And I just to test this, like, let's go into my UI folder, which is right here. And we're going to, let's just copy and paste one of these. Currency display. And in this, it's literally just going to be a text box. Where is this? I don't even know where this is. It's apparently in the top right. Oh, it's invisible. That's why we can't see it. There it is. Okay. I'll put the currency here for now. It doesn't have to be here, but that's where it's going to go. I mean, I'm just gonna put 0 for now. Make it white. Font can be Roboto. Let's make it 50. Okay, let's see. I'll do this differently. It's probably gonna be in the top left with a little icon next to it or something, but this is fine for now. And now the currency UI needs a reference to the amount, so let's just drag it and copy that. Put it at the top, and all this is going to do is check when the currency changes and then display it. So on resource change, on resource changed. Where do we do that though? Right here. Perfect. So player. Oh, player. How is it getting the player to even connect this? And this is the client. Can this receive this event? I hope it can. This is the client. This is the client. So game.get local player. That should work. That should work. Resource changed event. Okay, this should work. So I get the player, the resource ID, and the new value. All I care about is the... Well, I guess I care about the ID as well. I get the player too. I'm not even sure if this if this doesn't work, I'm not sure what I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. We'll see. If resource ID is equal to currency, then wait, is this right? I don't think I'm supposed to use parentheses. If resource ID is equal to currency, then what do we do? Then prop amount dot text equals new value. All right, I don't, oh, and I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, okay, expected string received number. Okay, so that's the same issue. To string new value. The value is a number, and it needs to be a string. Oh my, wait, it worked. Yo, that's awesome. Okay, that's awesome. So what did we just learn? Let's go back to the currency manager. No, let's go back to this currency UI. The resource changed event can be accessed. The event can be accessed on the client. So on the client, we are checking if the resource changes. And if it does, I update this client's UI with the new currency. That's fantastic. Okay. Here's the real test though. Currency manager. here's the real test. Tick, so function tick. Local count equals 0. Count equals count plus delta. If count is greater than 1, then count set it back to 0. And what are we going to do? This is on the server. Oh, this is on the server. Frick. Local. How do I get all players? Get players. I mean, I just want an easy way to do this. Okay, this is an easy way to do it. Local player, and then local, I don't know, first. This is just a test. So P equals player. So when a player joins, this variable gets set to that player. Okay, great. So now every time the ticks add up to 1, P set resource. This is, I want add resource. I'm going to add 2. Let's just add 1, I guess. So what's happening here? The tick function runs like 60 frames a second or 30 frames a second. I don't know. But every time it runs, I add delta is the time between ticks. I add the time between ticks to count. Once count is greater than 1, I set count back to 0, and I add 1 to the currency using the player then the add resource thing. When that happens, it should trigger this event, which updates the UI. I hope. Hey, it actually works. Look at that. Oh, that's really cool. I know it looks like all it is a number counting up, but it's not just that. It's a variable unique to the player that I'm able to change. This one happens to be the amount of money the player has. Hey, Master Mark. I know. How dare I? It's freaking socialist, right? I'm just giving him free money. No, it was just a test. Don't worry. So now there's not going to be any free money in this game. Oh, what just happened? Okay. So let's delete that because we know it works now. I mean, I was giving all players money, but fair enough. Hey, Olsen. Your favorite Subway player. Yeah, dude, did I make you proud? That was a good game. You really like tower defense games? That's good to hear. I do too. I'm very new to core, like extremely new to core, but in every like new kind of like game maker engine kind of thing, I like to try to make a tower defense game. I think it's a good project to kind of like introduce me to the engine. We were building furniture. Oh man. That was that was over a year ago. I made you proud. All right, that's good. So we have a currency. Let's really quickly, let's just try to kill enemies. I'm going to make this, this blade tower do that because it's really easy. It's going to be easy to implement. All right. The shooter tower has a lot going on. The blade tower though, it's really just like a zone. It's just a zone that deals damage. So let's go into it and see what's going on. We have tower manager. Yeah, I mean, oh no, this is shared. The tower manager is shared. It's a shared script between all the towers. which handles its level ups. Oh, I actually never... Wait, I kind of want to try this. Wait, I think this will work. Yo, let's try upgrading. Let's try upgrading. So right now we have a menu and we have a button called upgrade, but it doesn't really do anything. So let's try to make it do something. Let's try to make that button do something. I'm changing gears a little bit, but just because it's already like implemented basically. I just need to connect the button to this. So how the hell do I do that? Oh man. I mean, I have... Where is my tower editing? Editing menu. This is... Okay, so... Do I have the tower? Do I have a reference to the tower? I have to have it somewhere. Right? Where the hell is it? I swear to God I had a reference to it somewhere. Right here. Right here. There it is. Okay. So I don't know where this is called, but it doesn't really matter. All I know is I'm getting the tower. I don't even use the tower though. Oh, yes I do. It's right here. Get custom property name. Get custom property name. And that's right here. So this is what I need to do. I need to get the tower manager script. Of this tower. Do I add it as a property? Or do I just find child? Is that even an option? So, but wait, open tower. What about like, what about pressing the button? Prop button closed. What about prop button upgrade? Where's that? It's right here. Prop button upgrade. And how about sell as well? Prop button sell. I don't want to change the... I've changed the names. I shouldn't have, honestly. Close, upgrade, sell. Close, upgrade, sell. Close, upgrade, sell. Close, upgrade, sell. Okay. How do I connect... Right here. So... Prop button upgrade. Pressed event. Upgrade. Pressed. So now I need a function. Function upgrade pressed. And open menu. Okay, so local tower. That's fine. That's confusing. Local tower being edited. Okay, tower being edited. If you open the menu, tower being edited equals the tower that's being passed in. If you close the menu, tower being edited equals nil or null. But apparently it's nil in this engine. You sent me a friend request? I think I accepted it. What was your name? I mean, I made the assets in the sense that I drag and drop them from the editor, yeah. But no, you can't, there's no importing in this. It's only kit bashing. It's think of like Little Big Planet. Okay, so upgrade press. So we have the tower now. This variable is set to the tower when the menu's open. So when upgrade is pressed, all I want is to, so let's think about this. Local tower manager, okay, equals tower being edited, like find child by name. Sure. Tower manager equals tower being edited, find child by name, tower manager, right? Is that what it's called? Tower manager. Okay. So, to recap, I click on a tower, it opens a menu. It saves that tower that I just clicked on to this variable. When I press the upgrade button, it goes into the tower, grabs the tower manager, and now tower manager dot context dot, I think it's called upgrade tower. It's called level up. That's confusing. It's going to be called, it's an upgrade. Upgrade tower. It's called upgrade tower. So we are going to, where are we? Oh god. Okay, tower manager dot context lets me call functions from other scripts. So tower manager dot context upgrade tower. That should just work. You know. Okay, attempt to perform arithmetic on, what does that mean? So this messed up. Oh, okay. Prop level. Oh, wait, what the hell's prop level? Okay, that's not right. I see why I did that. I just want to store the level in this, I think, but it probably should be a property, shouldn't it? Do I put things that change in here is the question. I think I should. Oh, and that's why I called it level up, because it should be a tier. We're upgrading to the next tier. But it should be its own property, right? And then this should be like tier 1, tier 2, etc. I'm just not sure how I should implement this. Hold on, okay. The only reason it should be a property is if you want to manually change it here. There's no other reason to make it a property. So the tier is always going to start at 1. So I should just store it here as tier. Is that how you spell tier? No, no, it is not. You know what? We're just going to call it level. Just, we can change it if we want to later. So level equals level plus 1. We really don't need to pass in level since we're storing it right here. And tower manager, let's just, shouldn't we have a function to get the level? Probably not. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, we will need that because the UI will need that. So function get level. Return level. Okay, so that's a getter for level. This should work. Okay. All right, now we're getting into the networking issues. Okay, so we're trying to change the visibility. Is that a client thing? Attempted to access a restricted field on a remotely owned object. Wait, the script is running in the client. I didn't know that. The script is running in a client context, but can only access this field on the server. For visibility. The script is running... Well, now I'm confused because the update base script is server side, isn't it? It's networked. Isn't this... It's running on the client. Now I'm super confused. Is this an issue that it's not? Update template from this. Update template from this. Is that the issue? I don't think it is. The script is running in a client. What if I do the other one? I mean, I doubt it would work. The script is running in a client context. See, okay, this is... I haven't been confused like this in a while, but it was bound to happen. The script is running... I thought the script was running in a server context, so now I'm confused. I'm making a tower defense game while I'm trying to. And currently, I'm trying... So what I'm doing is I'm trying to call this function, which ends up calling this function, when I press this button. So I press the upgrade button. Obviously, the upgrade button is on the client. And it's trying to call this function, which is a script that is inside this tower. What I don't understand is why the script is running on the client when it is a networked object that I thought was on the server. I mean, let's just try spawning some in. So test tower is networked. Wait. Yeah, every time I spawn a tower in, the networked objects go up. Do I have to specifically say that this needs to be a server context? This tower editing is the client. Okay, there's literally nothing in this. I mean, okay. Why did I put a script in this? I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, but okay, what if I de-instance and then create network context, new server context, I guess, containing this. Server only objects can't be networked. No, it needs to be networked. It needs to be networked. Okay, so I guess I just have to accept that this script runs on the client. Would it run on all of the... I am so confused. I guess I don't fully understand this. I mean, of course I don't, but like okay, let's do a multiplayer run. I mean, I thought the towers are networked, so what does that even mean? Attempt to index a nil field context. Wait a second, what? So now this tower manager thing, that just didn't even work? Uh-oh. Well, okay, this is not good. So is this not the right way to do it then? I am in the editing menu script, which is on the... Oh, it's on the client. Okay.
That's all you have to say.
Okay.
I'm going to bed and you can't stop.
Local tower manager. So I'm assuming... No, I assume the tower manager thing equals nil because this just didn't work. Yeah. Tower being edited. So was tower being edited? I mean, can we try like printing the tower being edited's name? Can we try that? Yep, there you go. Test, yeah. So that's not the issue. So it's getting the tower being edited. Was it not able to find the child by name? I am so confused. I'm like, seriously, this is weird. All right, let's just not even do multiplayer right now. But it's still not working. I mean, obviously. Attempted to access a restricted field on a remotely owned object. The script is running in a client context, but can only access this field on the server and its visibility. The script is running on a client context, but I can only change the visibility of something on a server, is what it's telling me. Or from the server. And apparently this script is running on the client because it's networked. Okay, the network script means it's running on the client. By the way, babe, I know. I got 10 minutes, right? Hey, Pika. So, I mean, you can relax when I'm talking, right? So maybe I need to change the visibility of this stuff from the server, I guess. But how the heck do I do that? Because, like, I'm calling... Oh, maybe it's because I'm calling this function from the client. What if I called it from the server? But how do I do that? Because I'm calling it here, right? Towermanager.context upgrade tower. I'm calling it from the client. Maybe that's the issue. But how do I call it from the server? Okay, I guess that makes sense. So I have to tell the server to upgrade the tower. Tower spawn manager. Maybe like tower manager? Okay, tower manager. And let's just make a function. And function upgrade tower. And this is on the server. You input, I guess we're inputting the tower ID. as well as, no, that's it. That's all you have to do. No, that's not it. That's definitely not it. We're giving this the tower object, because yeah, okay, we're giving it the tower object because we only want to upgrade one of the towers. And basically tower, and then, well, let's just get the exact this, right? Tower manager equals tower, find child by name, tower manager, yeah, that'll work, right? It should only be getting that specific script. Upgrade tower. Okay, so now how do I call this function? How do I call this function? I guess an event upgrade tower attempt. I say attempt because here is where I'll also check if it's even possible. You know what I mean? But actually, maybe not. I don't know. Upgrade tower attempt, call upgrade tower. Okay, so now here, I need events broadcast to server. That's what I need. So in the editing menu, if you press the upgrade button, I need to broadcast to the server upgrade tower attempt. And then I pass in the tower being edited. All right. Will this work? When you press the button, it broadcasts the event, upgrade tower attempt, and it passes in the tower. Here, this is on the server. I'm 100% sure this is running on the server. It calls this function, upgrade tower, passing in the tower. If it receives this signal, upgrade tower attempt, or event, whatever, finds the tower manager script of that tower and calls this function. Okay, will this work? No, of course not. Okay, folder type in argument number 1 is not supported. Well, that sounds interesting. Okay, what did I do wrong? Folder type, events, broadcast to server, build. So this is the name of the event. Hey, Mr. Fu. You came at a horrible time because I'm getting off very soon. The hell does that even mean? Wait, what? Folder type in argument 1 is not supported. Dude, what? There has to be like a syntax error or something. Can you not pass objects? Wait, maybe that's it. Maybe you can't pass objects. Let's just try not passing anything, just to see if it actually works. Okay, so yeah, I don't think you can pass entire objects, so maybe we need to pass The tower being edited dot, I think it's called ID. Yep, it's called ID. Okay. So we're passing in the object's ID, which is fine. And now, with this ID, we need to find that tower, and it's going to be somewhere in the hierarchy. Okay, find, yeah, look at that. Find object by ID. That's exactly what we wanted. Not by name, because they're all going to have a similar name. So now, local tower manager equals world find object by ID, ID find child by name, tower. Okay, this will work. I hope. Damn it. Wait, what? Expected string received nil. Where? Upgrade tower. Wait. Okay, so the ID was nil. Okay, hey, look, let's print it. Maybe it's, I don't know. Oh my god, wait, it just worked. It's working! It worked! The script just wasn't updated. It worked. It actually worked. Holy shit. I can go to bed now. Look at this, guys. So I already had code in here to change the base based on the level, the upgrade level. And look at this. It's working. See, you press upgrade and the base changes. Yes. It works. And obviously if you upgrade it too much, it freaks out. But don't worry about that. Does it work with this one? Of course it does. Yes. So this was just my little way of like displaying what level a tower was without actually like, you know, showing it. But all right, that's awesome. All right, I gotta go though. So let's save it. Now, can we save all? File, save all. Okay. So what did we do today? Currency. What else did we do? I mean, we just did upgrading. Oh, and we did the buying menu. Cool. Oh, discard. Discard. Yes. Push origin. Okay. Yep. So currency upgrade buying menu. Cool. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. We got a good amount done. It was quite successful. I'm glad we were able to figure that out at the end. That was nice. We had to tell the server to call the function. So if the function is called from the client, it's run on the client, I guess. And if it's called from the server, it's run on the server. It's interesting. I didn't know that. I mean, I'm assuming. I don't know. Maybe I'm completely wrong. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Have an awesome night. I'm going to raid someone really quick. But I gotta go quick. Okay, I'm gonna raid Ghost Fruit. I haven't raided a Dream streamer in a while. Now I know we weren't playing Dreams, but you know. Yeah, let's raid Ghost Fruit. I don't know why you're doing a lol face after Ghost Fruit, but yeah. Have a good night, Foo. I wish you could have gotten here earlier, but you caught the tail end of it. So, all right. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you later. Ah, got you.
How was it? What are you working on? How's it going?